Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making 1 liter of sweet black tea with 50 g sugar. This feeds the culture. Once cooled to room temperature, pour in 100 ml mature kombucha you reserve to lower pH and prevent contamination. Meanwhile, blend 500 grams of ripe watermelon and strain to collect about 300 milliliters of clear juice. You want flavor without pulp that off-gases. Combine the watermelon juice with the sweet tea, stir gently. Then nestle the SCOBY on top and cover with. Once the SCOBY is sitting on your combined tea and watermelon juice, move the jar to a stable spot at 22 to 26 degrees Celsius where it won't get direct sun. Fermentation takes 7 to 10 days. Start tasting on day 5 to judge acidity and sweetness balance because timing affects fizz and vinegar notes. Make sure to use clean, non-metal utensils when testing and always reseal with cloth. If a thin new pellicle forms, that's normal. It's the SCOBY growing and protecting the brew. To finish, remove the SCOBY and reserve 100 milliliters for your next batch. Then pour kombucha into airtight bottles, leaving 2 to 3 centimeters of headspace for carbonation. For fizzy watermelon kombucha, do a secondary fermentation at room temperature for 2 to 4 days, then chill to slow activity and preserve flavor. If you see fuzzy-colored mold at any point, discard the batch and sterilize all equipment. Mold is a reliable sign of contamination, so start over rather than risk illness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.